Alright, so the center of our solar system we have the sun. And around the sun we have the earth. So the earth will go around or revolve around the sun in about 365 days. And that gives us our year. So while the earth is doing that, it's spinning. And it spins in about 24 hours, and that gives us day and night. So while this side, let's put a little spot here. So while spot is facing the sun, it's day, and then halfway through in 12 hours, it's on the other side. When spot's over here away from the sun, it's night. So the 24-hour spin, or rotate, gives us day and night. So while all that's happening with the earth, we have the moon. And the moon's out here, and the moon revolves around the earth in about 28 days. While it's doing that, the moon also rotates, and it's going to rotate in about 28 days. And we'll find out how that 28-day rotation and revolution means that we're always seeing the same spot or the same side of the moon. So while all this happens, we have the earth. Let's go back and we'll make the color blue for earth. Let's just say the earth is over here, but the earth is tilted on an axis. And because it's tilted on the axis, that means, if it's right here in relativity to, in relation to the sun, there's a certain part of the earth. So in this case, this southern hemisphere is getting more sun. So it's going to be summer in the southern hemisphere and winter in the northern hemisphere. 6 months from now, we know it's 6 months because we know it takes a full year for the earth to go around the sun. Let's redraw our earth over here. Alright, so over here on the other side of the sun, let's redraw our axis. So in this case, we're tilted, and the northern hemisphere is getting more of the sun. So it's going to be summer in the northern hemisphere and winter in the southern hemisphere. So now we know that we have years because the earth revolves around the sun. We have days because the earth spins or rotates in 24 hours. We have months because the moon revolves around the earth. And we have seasons because the earth is tilted on an axis. Alright, so let's make a quick summary chart. Ooh, pretend that's a very nice box. So we have a day, which is 24 hours, because the earth rotates, or spins. We have a month, which is about 28 days, because the moon revolves around the earth. We have a year, which is about 365 days, because the earth revolves around the sun. We have seasons, and seasons, depending on if you're doing summer, winter, we can set either 2 or 4. If we're doing just summer or winter, or summer, fall, spring, winter. And we have that because the earth is tilted on an axis.